Hi, everyone. So glad to see you here, and thank you so much for your interest in the World Aquatic Animal Day webinar. I am Lucia Guy, the Managing Director of the Institute of Animal Law of Asia, an educational research center that focuses on animal law issues in Asia and the world. Please go to our website to learn more about our work. Um, World Aquatic Animal Day is celebrated annually on April 3rd and was first launched in 2020 by the Aquatic Animal Law Initiative at the Center for Animal Law Studies, Lewis and Clark Law School. This day is dedicated to aquatic animals and was created to raise global awareness about these often forgotten animals. Aquatic animals play a significant role in our societies and ecosystems. They're important not only as a group, but also as valuable and exciting individuals with intrinsic worth. Aquatic animals are not only fish, but also a great variety of other animals that live in the waters for most of their lives, such as amphibians, marine mammals, crustaceans, reptiles, aquatic birds, aquatic insects, and even starfish and corals. However, aquatic animals are widely used and abused around the world, and they face lots of threats, mostly from human activities. Institute of Animal Law of Asia is delighted to join the rest of the world to celebrate World Aquatic Animal Day to highlight the importance of aquatic animals in our lives. The theme for this year is the impact of human activities on aquatic animals. Um, I will serve as a moderator of today's webinar. Today's webinar is featuring 5 panelists from across the globe, including animal law experts, where they will talk about various topics and discuss the necessity of protecting and saving aquatic animals. I'm honored to be able to organize this webinar as the first public event under my project Enhancing Legal Regulations for Aquatic Animals in Kazakhstan within the Global Ambassador Program launched by the Center for Animal Law Studies. This wouldn't have been possible without the CAL support. Our speakers today are Medicine Steffi, Dr. Jill Phelps, Bondarov, Lakshmi Venkataraman, Gary Stokes, and Diego Plaza. Thank you so much for being part of this webinar, and I'm sure we can learn a lot and use this knowledge in our practice and everyday life. We'll be answering questions after each speaker's presentation, so please drop your questions in the Q&A chat box.